Smart Summon is a feature within Tesla's full self-driving FSD supervised software that allows your Tesla to autonomously navigate parking lots to come pick you up or drop you off. It uses the car's sensors, cameras, and AI to maneuver safely through the environment. As of December 2025, it's widely available where FSD supervised is supported. Remember, it requires you to actively supervise the car via the Tesla app. To use Smart Summon, you need a Tesla vehicle equipped with Autopilot 2.0 or higher hardware. Hardware 3.0 or later is recommended for the best performance. The hardware includes 8 cameras positioned around the vehicle to provide 360-degree vision. 12 ultrasonic sensors help detect obstacles and measure distances at close range. And radar systems enhance detection capabilities in various conditions. For software requirements, you need an active FSD supervised subscription. This costs $99 per month or $8,000 for lifetime access. Your safety score must typically be 90% or higher for reliable Smart Summon operation. Smart Summon is accessed through the Tesla mobile app and requires the ongoing FSD supervised subscription to function. First, ensure that full self-driving supervised is enabled in your Tesla vehicle. This advanced software package is required for Smart Summon to function properly. Next, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Once logged in, locate and select the Smart Summon feature from the main menu or Controls section. Before proceeding, confirm that your location is within a private parking area, such as a mall or office lot, and ensure your Tesla is parked and clearly visible to you. Smart Summon only works in these controlled environments. Once everything is confirmed, tap the Summon or Come to Me button in the app. This will initiate the autonomous navigation sequence. Upon activation, your Tesla will emit a honk to confirm it's starting the summon. The vehicle will then begin moving at a slow speed, navigating around obstacles to reach you. Throughout the process, maintain visual contact with your Tesla and keep your smartphone ready. If any issues arise, you can immediately stop the vehicle by tapping the Stop button in the app. Always keep the car within your line of sight while using Smart Summon. Be ready to stop the car immediately using the app if needed. Smart Summon is designed for low-speed use in controlled environments like parking lots. Avoid using it in bad weather conditions where sensors might be impaired. Ensure the path is clear of obstacles and pedestrians before initiating the summon. Let's see Smart Summon in action. Notice how the car avoids obstacles and pedestrians. It's important to note that this is a controlled demonstration. Real-world scenarios can vary, so always be prepared to take control. Sometimes Smart Summon might stop unexpectedly due to perceived obstacles or uncertainty in the vehicle's path. This is a safety feature to avoid potential hazards. To troubleshoot, assess the situation visually and use the Tesla app to guide the car around the obstruction or restart the summon process. Another common issue is weak phone signal, which can disrupt the connection between your phone and the Tesla vehicle. To resolve this, ensure your phone has a strong signal strength. If signal is poor, move to a location with better cellular coverage. If the Tesla app is outdated, it may not function properly with Smart Summon features, leading to errors. The solution is simple. Update the Tesla app through your device's app store to ensure compatibility. GPS issues can occur in locations with low satellite visibility, such as indoors or under heavy tree cover, affecting the accuracy of Smart Summon. To fix this, wait for improved GPS signal or relocate to an area with better satellite access, like an open parking lot. Smart Summon is designed exclusively for use on private property and parking lots. This includes areas like home driveways, shopping center lots, and other controlled environments with clear boundaries. Importantly, Smart Summon is not intended for use on public roads, highways, or any shared public spaces. This restriction ensures safety and compliance with current autonomous driving regulations. The feature operates at very low speeds, typically under 5 miles per hour. This cautious approach allows the vehicle to navigate safely while giving you time to monitor and intervene if needed. Smart Summon requires clear visibility and a relatively unobstructed path. The vehicle needs to see its surroundings clearly and have enough space to maneuver safely around any obstacles. As a supervised feature, you must remain within visual range of the vehicle and be prepared to intervene at any time. The Tesla app provides real-time monitoring, and continuous supervision is required for safe operation. Understanding these limitations is crucial for safe and effective use of Smart Summon. Always prioritize safety and follow Tesla's guidelines to ensure the best experience with this autonomous feature. Smart Summon represents Tesla's journey toward full vehicle autonomy. Looking ahead, future updates promise enhanced AI navigation, allowing vehicles to handle complex routes more efficiently. As technology matures, Smart Summon could expand beyond parking lots to operate on public roads, with regulatory approvals paving the way. One key advancement will be improved navigation capabilities, using end-to-end AI to better predict and adapt to real-world conditions. This could reduce the current supervision requirements, making the feature more user-friendly and accessible. Expanded operational environments mean Smart Summon might work on highways and urban streets, not just parking lots. Combined with reduced supervision needs, this could transform daily transportation, integrating seamlessly into multimodal travel systems. As autonomous vehicle technology evolves, features like Smart Summon will become more sophisticated. Challenges like regulatory hurdles and liability concerns remain, but experts predict significant integration into everyday life by 2030. Keep an eye on Tesla updates for the latest advancements in autonomous driving technology.